How can organic residues on assemblies be reliably characterized to clearly determine their causes? Stains or discolorations on electronic assemblies can be detected and roughly assessed visually, but to truly understand their chemical nature, a more in-depth analysis is required. In many cases, these are organic residues such as flux, films, oils, or fibers, whose exact composition can only be determined using suitable methods. This is where FTIR microscopy comes in. The method enables spatially resolved measurements directly on the assembly surface from 5 by 5 micrometers and generates spectra that reveal the chemical composition of the residues. These spectra are compared with our extensive reference databases, consisting of in-house created and continuously expanded datasets, complemented by commercial spectral libraries. In this way, even complex residues can be classified with high precision. Your benefits: precise identification of organic residues, for example flux, oils, films, and fibers. Spatially resolved analysis directly on the assembly surface. Examination of powders, liquids, and coatings. Fast and reliable evaluation through comparison with reference databases. Clear results and comprehensible reports with expert interpretation. The result: reliable analysis reports that not only characterize residues, but also provide concrete recommendations for action. Whether powders, stains, or organic films, FTIR analysis offers a solid basis for pinpointing causes and mitigating risks. Contact us to learn how FTIR analysis can help secure and optimize your processes.